Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we're going to be making a salmon with avocado relish and pasta salad. So the very first thing we're going to do is drop our pasta into the boiling salted water. Cook it according to package instructions. Reserve a little bit of that water there. So we're going to let that go. We've got our pan heating up to cook our salmon. It's getting nice and hot. Drop our salmon fillets in. Season. We've already seasoned the side that's down on the pan now, so we're going to season the top side with fresh cracked black pepper, a pinch of sea salt. Now for our avocado relish, we have some corn here, we have some onion, okay, we have some cherry tomatoes that we've just sliced in half. We have our avocado. Combine all this, and then at the very last minute we're going to add our fresh herbs and some lemon juice, some salt, some pepper, and a drizzle of olive oil. And that's as simple and as easy as it gets with our relish. Okay, so we're going to give our salmon a flip. I'm going to go ahead and squeeze some of our lemon juice. You could also use lime juice, a combination of the two. You could even use orange juice if you wanted to. You could add in some peppers, or really anything like that to accompany this. All right. Set our salmon aside. Add in some of our torn parsley here. Give that a mix at the last minute and add some more lemon juice, and then we'll season it. Give this a little bit of a stir. Beautiful color for our relish. Salt, or olive oil, touch more lemon juice, and that's all there is to our relish. Super simple. And I'm actually going to place this in the refrigerator until we're ready to use it. Let it chill. We're ready to drain our pasta. Okay, now you want to let your pasta cool down before you begin to mix in the other ingredients for your pasta salad, because we don't want our leafy greens to wilt. So we're going to let it cool, and then we'll come back in just a couple of minutes and combine it all together. We'll plate it up and show you the finished product.